Hello, this is Richard with Betterview Software and Services. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install software on your Windows computer using Firefox, the web browser. Stay tuned, coming right up. Okay, so somebody has told us that they need access to our computer remotely, and they've given us a place to go to, so I'm going to go into the Google search and go sos.splashandtop.com, and here it is. It's found it already. But now it's confusing. I don't know where to download the program from because I have a list of all these other sites. The reason for that is because what we've done is that we have actually searched for sites that contain the link to sos.splashtop.com and not actually gone to the website itself. So what you have to do is go to the top here where you type in the actual URL or Universal Resource Locator. I'm going to hit the backspace key, and now I'm going to type the site that I need to go to, which is sos.splashtop.com. That's what the technician told me. So I'm going to hit my enter key here. And now we've gone directly to the website. As you can see, the program's automatically started downloading at the top here. So I'm going to wait for that to finish. Just a few seconds left. And now it's completed the download. So now the question is, what do I do with it? Well, what I have to do is run it. So I'm going to move my mouse over here and it says open file. So I'm going to click on that. And now my computer screen's blanked out and it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes or no. And the app is called SplashTop SOS. So I'm going to click on the yes button. And well, that's quick. There we go. It has already loaded. And it's given me this nice little code that I'm supposed to give to the technician, which I can do by either texting or calling them if they're on the phone. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So we'll see you next time. Until then, take care.